Right now in Phoenix State, it's 2:05. Yeah, I'm on Friday, January 8th, 2021. There isn't really any news to speak of today. By the way, did anyone tune in for that documentary show that was on TV yesterday? It was all about the history of Jiu-Jitsu. And actually, it was quite informative. One thing I learned about Jiu-Jitsu put me right to sleep. Everything puts you to sleep when you watch TV. Shut up! Nope. I'm scared. Nope. I'm scared. Get over here now. Man, fine. I'll get you one day, Nook. Well, there you go again, prattling on my personal TV habits. Sorry, folks. That's all for now. I hope you all enjoy the loveliest of lovely days. Bye. I'm still scared. Nook's scared. Tail's scared. And hi to you all too. You're probably wondering, what are we doing dressed as like a DJ today? Well, as you can see, if you go on our little flower wand here, we named this outfit DJ Baby Rose. Because whenever you see us in like this, we're gonna be, from now on, called DJ Baby Rose. That is all. We got things, yay! We got plans for these things. It's gonna be beautiful. Now all I have to do is do that exactly. Now, as I said before last time, this is the last time you're gonna ever see this part of our flag. So let's get into that, shall we? Yeah. I have a new flag to show everybody. Let's go. Isabel. Hi, Isabel. What? Oh. Oh, Sonic. Good afternoon. But we're here too, you know. Shush! It's me time with Sonic. Amy. Okay. How can I help you out today? Let's change the island flag. You'd like to submit a new design for the flag? Great! Let's see what you came up with. We'll show you in a minute. This one right here. Oh my Sonic! It's perfect in every way. Just like you. I'm not perfect, Amy. It truly captures the essence of Phoenix State. From this point forward, your design will be our new flag. I wish it had your face on it, Sonic. I would love it if it had your face on it. Maybe I should make a flag of Sonic. Amy, I'm just kidding. Thank you all for your submission. Can I have you anything else? Apparently we're good here. Oh, wait. What if we discuss about Iggly? Uh-oh, is there a resident causing you trouble? Which is it? When is it what's bothering my Sonic? Yeah? Which resident is troubling you? Which is it? Is it Iggly? I bet it's Iggly. It's Iggly. What about Iggly's behavior is upsetting you? He still lives here. That's the answer. Both of these, basically. Oh my, I'm sorry to hear that. Iggly hasn't been polite when speaking with you. Especially Sonic. Would you like me to talk to Iggly and do what I can to put a stop to this behavior? Yes. Say no more. I'll have a stern talk with Iggly and talk about how inappropriate language on this island and also how to get off this island. So, yeah. I found that my cheery disposition can be quite imitating in certain contexts. I'm scared. Please let me know if other folks are giving you trouble, Sonic. And only you, Sonic. Can I help you anything else? Sonic. Amy, we're fine. I'm leaving. See you later. Bye. Alright, if there's anything I can do to assist you in the future, please don't hesitate to ask me, Sonic. I love you, Sonic. Amy, stop it. Okay, fine. What's up, man? I'm drinking some coffee, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good. Anyways, we're gonna check this out for today. Welcome to the next stop, a multi-terminal Nook Incorporated. Once per day, assessing the Nook stop will award you bonus 80 miles, 7 days in a row, plus more. 300 bonus miles. Congratulations. Please select from the following services. Don't mind us if we're eating lunch. We have burritos. We already have that. We did the other one. Please select more from the following services. This is what is in our bank account. Yippee for us. Thank you for your patronage. Now get out of my store. Oh, yeah. Will you calm down with that coffee? I made that coffee just for Sonic, but apparently Nook decided to take some. Well, I can't help it if I get my cup of coffee, man. See, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Anyways, DJ, Baby Rose living. This Baby Rose is living. And every day we have to check on Iggly if he's thinking or not. But then again, he's usually in his house. And we can never get to him. Hey look, Sylvana's checking out on Samuel. How's Samuel, Sylvana? Is he being a good boy? He is. Good boy, Samuel. Why do I still live? Anyways, Samuel's being weird. I was thinking on putting the things we got in our mail today somewhere around here. Mine. I was either thinking putting it up here. Maybe. Oh, hey, Red's here. We have no money. Should have picked up some, shouldn't I? Yeah. Since Red is here, we gotta go deal with that sometime soon. Yeah, happiness, yay. Sereno's checking out the hangout. Hi, Raven. We haven't talked to you in forever. Rosie! What's the latest? I'm just making it up as I go along. But I know one thing for sure. Moving to Phoenix State was the best decision I ever made because you live here. Yes. DJ Baby Rose approves. Say look at that, say look at that. Oh, isn't that adorable? Oh, yes, yes. Look at that adorableness. Since we are the Munchkin Pandas, there is a Munchkin Panda in that flower field. It's beautiful. And by the way, heck, Boxy, Mini Boxy, Carboxy, what y'all been doing? Staying out of mischief. You have good. Well, apparently we gotta go back into the thing and get some stuff. So all that coffee wore you out, huh? No, man, it pumped me up. I'm ready for some exercise for once in my life. I'm gonna have to take like 10,000. 10,000, you silly. Half and half. Need to put it in half so I can give it to my other half. So yeah. No, you stupid. Put that away and give it back. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. And 1,000. There you go. A minimal of 5,000 each. That's beautiful. Raymond, why didn't you get on the bridge? Silly Raymond. And she's checking out Samuel again. Oh, that's sweet. Here, you may have. Make sure you see red. We might include it in this video. Who knows? Here's the furnace. And red. Hi. Well, if it is my favorite customer. I'm saying customer from now on because we're not even cousins. Animals and humans are not related. I'll tell you that right now. Glad to have you back aboard. Jolly Red's treasure trawler. Oh, store policy? I know it. You know it. We have a limited 1 art piece per customer per day. That means you gotta get your other self. No exceptions otherwise. Choose wisely. What is this? Well, I won't lie. An awful lot of folks have been asking me about buying that scary painting there. Maybe the price scared them off, so I sent it for deals for 4,980 bells. Deal of the winter, you in? I want a closer look. I can never really tell what's accurate and what's fake. That's just me. Admiring the detail? Can't blame you. It's extremely detailed, brilliant stuff. And the best part, and all the detail could be yours just for 4,980 bells. I don't know. I understand. It's a lot to take in all at once. No rush. What the heck? Wow, you really know your art. You can just feel the aura on the academic painting, huh? I mean, you couldn't buy that kind of aura. Well, you could. And should. Let me help you out. With my customer's discount, we're not saying cousin anymore. Shut up. You can have it only for 4,980 bells. Number I charge 10 times as much because you're a rip-off. We want another closer look. I'm pretty sure this thing is supposed to have like 6 arms, but it also has a coffee stain on it. Brand new detail? Can't blame you. Extremely detailed, brilliant stuff. Best part, all the details be used for 4,980 bells. We don't know yet. I understand. So I'll take a look at all at once. No rush now. I'll be here if you need me. I'm pretty sure the genuine one, I think the actual genuine one is this thing here. I think we only have to buy with us today. So, yeah, I think I just pulled out 5,000 bells from my other half for no reason. Get out of your mind? I know what it's like. But I say when I get it out of your mind at all. Mom's still good, you know. So 1,908 bells. Magnificent scary pain is yours. Fine, you got a deal. You're not gonna regret this. I'll take those bells from you. Yep, let's do it. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of Scary Peyton. And you know what the best part is? You regret it already. It's a pleasure doing business with your friend. I'll get your art packed up, shipped out tomorrow. Thank you, sweet. Believe us, we already regret it. Ain't that the truth? Now, this baby Rose is gonna go do something else. Like scour the beach. Isn't that right, fish? Yeah. Get out of here. Seashell hunting. Yes. Knock down seashells. Get the good stuff. And then maybe next time you guys will see us with our new instrument stuff that I got from our mail today. Should we do the money rock? Money rock it is. Let's go. All that for a rock. I mean, like, jeez, what the heck? All that for a clay. Found the money rock. Yay for us. Now, we take half and half. There you go. That's how we roll. Sharing is caring. That's how the saying goes. Wait, the wasps, Sonic. What about the wasps? Tails. Wasp, Sonic. Oh. Round one, get in our pockets. That's where you belong. Come on! We got back in our pockets. Anyways. We're just gathering the sticks, getting the bales, and getting the wasps. Gotta catch those wasps now. The wasps! And into our pockets. Good. Yes. Oh, dang it, you little rugrats! I got a boo-boo! I got a boo-boo! Aisle! Minis! Well, I guess we're not getting 5 blocks. Did I just say beach towel? Utility sink? Everybody said beach ball. What the heck we could do with another beach ball? We don't need beach ball. What the heck? Isn't the right face frog? Yeah. This place is starting to get more laggy, Sonic. Oh, I can't help it that you put so many fish and bugs over here, Tails. That's fine. It's just silly head. Never deny the crafting of wasps. Anyways, all of this is for Saturday. And get out of that place, it's freaking laggy, it's all dirt. Now we gotta work our way up to this side of the beach to get more seashells. What the heck are you thinking about, Gladys? Sunflower, I did it again. I went out and bought myself a cycling shirt. Then I got home and realized I already had done that. I'd rather not sell back what I bought as a loss. Well, you could have. That's called returning for a reason, Gladys. Jeez. Not sure what to do. Wait, I know. Maybe you'll be willing to trade me or something for it. What the heck? No! You can't have her for like we're busy with that. I don't want that. That's alright. I'm sure you're asking for the impossible. I'm so glad I can still ask you for help in the future. Anytime, Gladys, but not for a floor line. We're busy with that, you silly. Yeah, Kasana's got a big bill to make, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna make a whole DJ thing somewhere on the island, and we're gonna party. Maybe in one recording, I don't know yet. Okay, we got all our seashells. Now we can get out of here because it's 23 minutes long and we don't stay this long on a freaking Animal Crossing recording to begin with. So let's get out of here. Why is Sereno still there? A question for all of our animals, it seems. What the heck? I'm not gonna deny that exercise is good for you, but, yeah, this is boring! Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do it inside. Let me in. These flowers smell like Sonic. Alright. Let's just get on with this. Man, at least I got my cup of coffee again. Louie. I have no idea which one that is, but it's okay. You got some luck. I was doing my 6,093 before bed push-ups and fell asleep and had a terrific dream about a DIY idea. I got so excited, I couldn't even work out. So I wrote this letter. Now go use it. Go. Go. Now you got skills, Louie. Thanks, Louie. Hard for him? Yeah, we don't know that. Good luck to our other half. So how are you guys? Man, we good, man. Man, oh yeah. Oh, yeah. What the heck? What happened to my... what the heck? Wait a minute. I gotta do it the other way. Dang it! My poor face. You know what we say to poor face? Get medicine! I'm good. Okay, you now may resume.
This flower still smells like Sonic, you know? Can I spray you, Sonic?
You just did.
Good. He needs some fresh water in his life.
You know I hate being sprayed with water bottles. You know that, right?
You smell nice.
Okay. Will you stop flirting with Sonic, Isabelle?
Who says I'm Isabelle? I'm Amy. And Amy always loves her Sonic.
And? Alright, she ain't talking. Oh, yeah.
Always.
It took her that long to say that, so yeah.
That's because I wanted to smell the flowers.
Alright, I'm going this way. See you later, Amy. Love you, bye. What? I don't know what that was. Oh, this Tails. Yeah, well, it's not because I just took a sip of coffee. Oh, yeah. Get out of my way. Oh, yeah. Right there. Yes. I'm scared.
Well, this is Amy. Smelling the flowers, just like Sonic asked me to.
I didn't ask you anything. Man, I'm just drinking coffee, man. Oh, yeah.
Can I smell you some more, Sonic? Oh, that's the good stuff right there.
My wife is weird. Why is my wife weird today? Did you say you goodbye?
If I didn't, then this is Amy again.
And this is Sonic. I hope you all enjoyed. So yeah. We're gonna finish up for lunch and then we're gonna get on out of here. So yeah, this is Sonic again anyways. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Have good days. Try not to hurt anybody. So yeah, bye-bye. Get out of here. Fine.